Hello, welcome to my channel Cooking with Didem. Today we are making gingerbread cookies. It is that time of the year, Christmas is coming, so I wanna share my recipe with you. Let's start. We start with sugar and butter. We will mix it in the bowl until they are creamy. So spatula is taking so long, that's why I'm going with the hand mixer. This is ready now. It looks very creamy. Now we will add dark syrup and 1 egg. 120 milliliters dark syrup and only 1 egg, and then we will mix it again. Now we have a smooth mixture here. We will mix dry ingredients in a separate bowl and then add dry ingredients to this mixture slowly. I have my scale here and I will add 400 grams of flour. Now it's perfect. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 2 teaspoons ground ginger, I'm adding 4 because this is half teaspoon measurement. We have nutmeg, it's 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. I need 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. I think like 5 pieces will be more than enough. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. Tiny bit salt. Secret ingredients, lemon zest. A 1/4 teaspoon lemon zest will be enough. Mix the dry ingredients. So you can see it is mixed, and now we can add it slowly to our mixture. Dough is a little bit sticky now, but it is ready and it will get rest in the fridge for 2 hours. Then afterwards it will be a little bit firmer and then we can roll it out, make our gingerbread man cookies. Dough get rested 2 hours in the refrigerator. It's ready now to shape it. I also turned on the oven for 180 degrees without fan. Let's shape the dough. Eight minutes in the oven. Gingerbread cookies are ready. I took them out of oven in 8-9 minutes. They were still soft. It has been around 15 minutes they are out of oven. I can easily take them. You can see shaped quite well. When they are completely cold, they will be ready for icing. Let's see it. You can see it's chewy. If you want it harder, you can give 2 more minutes in the oven, but this is the way I like it. They're really good. My trials didn't turn out as I imagined. The icing is not as easy as it looks, but I am creative, so I came up with the chocolate pants idea, and I think with chocolate pants and the little tie, they look very cute. And I also tried some more minimalist, different kind of gingerbread cookies. I think it's quite cool. Just to play with, it's really fun. Thank you for watching. I really enjoyed shooting this video. Remember to like and subscribe.